Now we back, y'all. What's up, gang? Like, don't be mad. Like, come on, y'all. Give me some comments. I love the pink and black.
Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hand.
Let me have my nails. Let me have my nails. So what if I got my nails done? So what? So what? So what? Ooh, so what? Ooh, so what? Ooh, come on, like, I bet you I'll be your best girlfriend, like dead ass. I bet you I'll be your best friend. I wish you was my girlfriend. You'll be happy and sing. I was my girlfriend. Come on, don't do that, yo. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, y'all, I'm sorry. She mad because I got my nails done. Like, what the fuck? Look, so what? So what? I want y'all to got my nails. So what? So what? So what? People just be hating, y'all. Like that ass. Give me some comments, man. But anyway, we're gonna get to this video. I got some Popeyes. Okay. I got a drumstick. I got a wings. Also got a thigh. I got a biscuit. And I got some mashed potato, y'all. You feel what I'm saying? Look at that, y'all. Come on. Like, come on. If I want my nails done, I got some good old lemonade. If I want my nails done, let me get my nails done. Like, what the fuck you bugging? Yo, we're gonna get into this video. Wait, y'all. Now we back, y'all. What's up, gang? Like, don't be mad. Like, come on, y'all. Give me some comments. I love the pink and black. She lucky. Come on, like, I ain't ready to get my hair done. Like, come on, what the fuck? Like, as if. Like, you be bugging. Come on, like, why you hating? Why you hating? Why are you hating? Why I can't get my nails done?
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to you. You mad because I got my nails done?
No, I never said nothing.
Yeah, you are mad. So why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? I look better than you as a female. I look way better than you. Way better than you. Way better than you. Like, as if. Like, you bugging. Like, what the fuck? Come on. But anyway, I'm gonna say, where's my hot sauce? Like, come on.
You didn't say hot sauce.
I need hot sauce for my food. Come on. For all that flesh. Come on, like, don't play me. Don't play me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yo. Men these days. Like, men. You feel me? Men these days. Yes, men. The fuck? You know I like hot sauce. You know that. You know that. Yeah. I'm sorry, like, this is crazy, like, I wish I could show when I got my nails done. She be playing, like, why I can't get my nails done? Like, come on.
Never said you couldn't. So I'm lying.
How y'all even use these shits anyway? Like, come on, look. The fuck?
Use your fingertips.
I am.
No, you're using your skin.
I'm using my nails. Like, you bugging. Like, as if. Okay, I like the lemonade.
Okay.
What do you think? Like, the fuck? That's like bogus questions. Is it good?
Bogus questions. Not. It won't be bogus if I take the chicken.
This hair, y'all. This hair. I'm sorry, y'all.
That don't look good.
I don't want to show y'all.
I don't look good.
My you know, my chest.
Use your fingertips.
I am.
How when you're using your skin?
What are you supposed to do? That's what females do. Like, you got this good old mac and cheese, y'all. Mac and cheese and jelly. Dumb good. Breaded mac and cheese, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Ew. You don't like it?
Did I say that? Did I? Did I? Now, ask the questions. Ask the questions. You're supposed to ask the questions. What are you doing? Ask the questions. Yeah, she's talking about I'm gay for real life. I'm not gay in real life. You bugging. Why did you say that I'm gay in real life? Why did you say that?
Because you are. You act like it.
How I act like it? If I wanted to get my nails done, I wanted to get my nails done.
Okay, so
You bugging.
the first question that people have.
I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
First question
Pick
is,
one fucking nigga up. Go ahead.
which bathroom do you use?
Which bathroom? What do you mean? Which bathroom do I use? I use a regular female bathroom like females should.
But you're a man.
I'm a whole bitch. What the fuck you talking about, man? I'm a whole bitch. You talking?
Why are you eating chicken like that?
Like what? I have my nails. I just got my nails done.
So
what? What are you talking about?
use your fingertips.
I am.
Let me see.
I just did.
Okay.
Where did you come up with these questions? Which bathroom I use? First of all, I use a regular. I can use a man bathroom if I want. I also have my dame down there. The fuck? Don't be asking all these silly ass questions. You bugging. First of all, I'm very private. I don't really like to show my business out there at all. You know what I'm saying? I stay myself. I get home to use the bathroom. I don't have to use the public bathroom anyway.
Okay.
And if you think about it, a home bathroom, man, woman, kid use it. Everybody uses one bathroom. So in public, I could go into any bathroom. Give me some comments, y'all. I could go into any bathroom. The same thing like home. The same thing like home. You have a one bathroom. We don't have, yes, some people do have 2 or 3 bathrooms. But reality is one bathroom. So man or woman and children could go in the bathroom. It doesn't matter what kind of gender. You bugging. Like, you got me all fucked up. You bugging. I don't play that. I don't play that. Don't be all coming around here asking all these shitty ass fucking questions. Like, come on.
Okay.
What's in the box? I'm like, you got me mad now. I can't even enjoy my food. It's mac and cheese.
What? Does testosterone allow you to impregnate a person with the uterus?
Hold on. Hold on. You have to speak. You have to slow down that question. What do you ask me? I don't know what the hell you asked me.
Does testosterone, because you're a man, right?
Okay.
Allow you to impregnate a person with the uterus, but because you're a female?
I'm not sure. All I know, if I do want kids, I already have children. But you said for me to impregnate a woman?
Yeah.
I can get someone pregnant. Yes, I can. I can. But I don't. Tell you the truth, I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry.
You're so dramatic.
I really don't want to cry. But tell you the truth, I would love to bring in a kid. Don't get me wrong. I would love to bring in a kid, y'all. It's just that knowing me, I have, you know, I'm out there. Fuck it, I will. I'll bring it. Because I'm really a woman. I'm a woman. I'm a woman at first. I'm a woman. I can be a parent. It doesn't matter what kind of gender it is. It really doesn't really fucking matter. I will bring in a kid. Yes, I will. Yes. I will get them pregnant. Dot on the end.
Okay.
Don't talk me like girl. I will. But most likely, I'm the one that's getting fucked. Excuse me.
What?
I'm the one going to be pregnant. I'm the one. Nobody.
You ready for the pain?
Nobody else.
You ready for the pain?
Go ahead. I thought you don't like that. Ice.
It's actually pretty good.
I told you, tastes like soda. Are you ready? Oh, wow. You staring at my chicken like you're not getting none. You ate.
I did not eat nothing here.
Well, that's your fault. I haven't ate.
Truth or dare?
You know she ate your food.
I always do.
True.
Huh?
True.
Truth or dare?
Oh, there.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Right. Oh, shit. Damn. Oh my God!
See, those nails not working. You said there, right?
Huh?
You said there, right?
Yeah. Why? Don't do nothing dumb like.
There?
None?
There?
Yeah. What the? Why would you do that? Why would you?
You said there.
Why would you do that? You did that literally on live. Why would you do that? You know I'm private. You know I'm private. You violated. I'm editing that. I'm editing that. Like really, you violated me. You violated me. You violated me. You don't do that. You violated me. You violated me. You violated me. You violated me. Why would you do that?
And you said there. It was a there, right?
It doesn't matter. But what? That's the come on. I have nails and everything, but you really put that in my mouth. Like I don't do that to people. I just don't be going around just going down there like that. I'm very private about my shit. But okay. I see how you are. I already see how you. I see how you are. I see how you are. You like to put things in people's mouths. Okay. Wow.
You like it like that, don't you?
Wow. See, you got my 6'4". Come on, like, oh my God.
Your hair look nappy.
Why would you do that?
I asked you truth or dare. You said there, so I had
Okay,
to.
you could have did something else. You know I'm private with my stuff.
Not that private.
I'm very private. I could take your man.
That's some burnt ass mac and cheese.
No, that's not barrel. That's breading. That's new thing. But why would you do that?
I gave you what you asked for. How'd you eat that biscuit so fast?
Excuse me. Oh my God, excuse me. You took my biscuit, girl.
You want it?
Might as well have it. Like you put your fingers all over it.
You want it?
I don't get down like that. I don't get down like that. Cause you starving yourself.
You know who you look like?
Queen Latifah.
No. You know who you look like?
Who?
Get in the room now.
What do I look like?
You look like Billie Jean is not my girl.
Who is that? Michael Jackson?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Uh-huh.
What?
Mm.
Because you like to violate. I don't know who do stuff like that.
Okay. How many females have you kissed? Or males?
Okay, I'm not gonna talk about the time where I thought I saw Denzel, but that wasn't him. So Denzel! I jumped on him. He slapped me. I said, "Oh shit, I'm sorry. I thought you was Denzel, but about four men." What are you doing? About 4 men.
4?
Mm-hmm.
No. You got STDs then.
You don't make sense. How can catch STDs?
Because you don't know what them gay ass people, who they be with.
Did I even fuck? I don't know because it's STDs.
You could catch a herpes by kissing
kiss.
somebody. Right, but you could catch a herpes by kissing somebody.
Speak English, girl. I don't know. Are you drunk?
No.
I don't know what you're saying. Yo, give me some comments, y'all. I do not know what she's saying. But you can't catch herpes. You could catch herpes. You can catch herpes all over. The vagina part, mouth part. The only time you catch herpes in your mouth part, if that person was down low, went down low, and went down on the other, and he had or she had, catch herpes. Yeah, now you can catch herpes in your mouth.
Okay. If you had to choose between going naked or having your thoughts appear in thought bubbles above your head for everyone to read, which would you choose?
Say it again.
So, if you had to choose between going naked or everything that you thought, like you know the speech bubbles, it goes above your head. Your thought goes above your head and everybody can see what you're thinking. So if you're thinking about, you know, having intercourse with another female, that everybody's gonna see that above your head.
Okay.
Or would you want to be naked?
I'd rather be naked. Why? I like my body.
That's a question. That was a question.
I like my body.
What are for what in your life do you feel most grateful?
My ass.
Oh Lord.
My ass. I'm grateful for my ass. I'm grateful for my ass. Why? I'm grateful for my ass. Why? What? You hungry? Okay. And I'm grateful for my
I
ass.
have it.
Go ahead. We'll get heartburn. That's on you. If you want it, go ahead. You say you feel like you have a knot in your throat.
I do it some pain today, man.
So why you eat my food?
Because I'm hungry.
So why you eat? Ready for me?
I was waiting for my nacho meat. And then you came on and said, I'll be back, I'll go to the store, and then you came back and wanted to do a mukbang.
Yeah, I don't know how y'all can work these now, because these shit hurt. No cap. No cap.
One more question, okay?
Ask me anything, girl.
Do you have any fetishes?
I have a lot of fetishes. I have a lot. Which one you want to know?
Do you have any fetishes?
Tits.
Very true. Punani.
Not too much of punani. The tits. Men. I just love men. Oh my god. Especially when they have this six pack. I just want to run my nails and this motherfucking boy chest like this. Woo! I love men.
So you scaring people.
I just love men. You want the rest of this kind of crap?
Is there any hot sauce on it?
I put hot sauce. You look like you're staring. It's just spicy chicken anywhere. All I do is get spicy.
Give me some white meat. White meat.
It's spicy. The whole thing is spicy. So the white meat is spicy. It's all up to you. You want it or not? No, well, too bad. Girl, I'm not gonna lie. Being a female, y'all, is very hard because you have to stay at the park. What if a bitch wanna fuck me up? Excuse me, and I got these nails. Like, really? Give me some comments, y'all. How am I supposed to whoop a bitch ass? These are not pop-ons. I might have these for like a week. These are not pop-ons. You just can't pop these bad boys off. I got these shits done. I wish I could show you, but I was in a rush. I had to do this. You feel what I'm saying? But yo, like, in case I get into some type of drama, I'll be fucked up because I can't. How am I supposed to fight a bitch? How the fuck? Well, I gotta mace a bitch. Or I gotta cut a bitch. Dead ass.
Question.
Dead ass.
I know you're full.
I'm not full at all. I ain't no damn.
You're a 3 pieces of chicken.
It's a 3-piece.
Macaroni and cheese.
You just hungry. I don't know, you're making nachos.
What are your favorite pet names for girlfriends? Last
Pet
question.
names?
Yeah.
Banda.
Manda.
Not Manda, Banda.
Banda. We're gonna banda. You look beautiful though. You look beautiful.
I know. Oh, did I do a thumbnail?
No.
I need a thumbnail.
I'll get one out.
Let me get a thumbnail.
There's a lot of good ones.
Let me get a thumbnail.
Your belly's showing.
I want my belly because I'm pregnant. I'm 9 months. That ain't 9 months, 6 months. Hey y'all, yeah. Sorry to say I'm pregnant. Guess what I'm gonna name it? Jamie. I'm gonna name her Jamie. Why would you do that? Like, why would you act like that? Why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Come on, come on, come on. I got this good old apple pie. Sorry, y'all. I have this good old apple pie here. I'm about to eat now. Or I'm about to eat later. I don't know. I'm about to eat.
That white meat is not spicy. We love the apple pie.
I can eat like hair all of my. It's crazy.
Excuse me, sir. Ma'am. You need me for anything? You need me for anything?
Where are you going?
I gotta bathe. And then I have to go and
You need to sit down, relax, until I'm done with my video.
Good.
Can you sit down and relax while I'm done with my video so you get ended?
Oh yeah.
You're rushing. The fuck? You need to help me too.
What?
You need to help me take these nails off. I can't do nothing. But
Soak them in acetone.
I might leave them. I like it because when I start itching, I can get it. I can get the itch.
Oh Lord.
Yo, give me some comments, yo. Yo, when I was scratching, I'm like, ooh, it feels so good. I don't need nobody to help me. But I think I can't. I don't know. I think I can't work with these nails because I can't avoid a fit. Look, I can't do anything.
Go like this. Go like this.
I can't.
Try it.
See?
You did it.
I can't do anything. I can't even fight. It's impossible, y'all.
So you go like that.
I'm not fucking my hands up like that. I like that. Punch it. I gotta punch your bitch like this. Get off my bitch! 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 How the fuck a bitch up like that? Like, come on! Then I got this hair all over the place. I can't work with that. I can't do this. It's no way! It's just no way! It's no way! I can't do this. What?
You need to chill out.
I am already chilling. Excuse me. Like for real, like as if. Got my belly all out, I'm pregnant, I know.
You are not pregnant.
Yeah, I am. I got a girl coming. I have girls only. But y'all.
Like me?
I love y'all. I love y'all.
We're going to a circus today, y'all.
Yeah, I'm a game.
We'll go to a circus?
Hey. Hello.
You wanna go to a circus?
Can you put the knife down for me?
And you wanna juggle?
Can you put the knife
Do
down?
you wanna juggle, juggle, juggle?
Oh, I want to juggle. I just want to eat my apple pie and call my birthday. That's all I want to do is call my birthday.
You need to grow up. Alright, go sit down.
I want to call my birthday.
How's that apple pie?
Apple pie is good. Actually.
Well, I put some hot sauce in it.
You did? Wow. But y'all, I'm done here. I'm full. I can't eat no more apple pie.
Oh, give me it.
That lemonade is good. You can have it.
I'm a raccoon, y'all. You don't really want it, for real? Ooh, why? Ooh, that's too sweet.
Y'all, I'm done. I'm full. Some way, somehow, you know, I'm thinking about a lot right now. Like, should I stay like this? Like, this is really me, or
No, you need to take those off.
like, this is really me, or just like a stage. I don't know. I don't know how to call it. As if, like, really? I really don't know. Y'all, you know.
I have an idea.
So, give me some comments. Comment down below. Share this video. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about me staying like this. You know, changing my name to Antuella. Take some pills, you know, to grow, and 'cause I really want my ass fat. Like, I'm thinking about. I want to get my ass done.
Oh, so you want to
I might want to get a tummy tuck. I don't
you
know.
want a
I don't know.
lipo?
I might get a lipo. I don't know. I might get a
A
lipo.
lipo?
Yeah, because
And a fat transfer?
obviously, what you done to me on live just now was really out of control. That, I'm very private about my shit, y'all. I just don't be going down low and doing things like that. Like, what give you the right to do that to me? What give you the right? Like, really, what give you the right to do that to me? Do I do that to you? Do I? Do I do that to you? Do I do that to you? What give you the fucking right to do that?
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
What give you the fucking right to do that?
No, you need to chill out.
What gives you the fucking right to do that though, girl? I don't violate you. I don't violate you. Next time, you probably, I will go down low on your fucking man. Like, fucking grin. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck, because I'm not the fucking one. I am not the
Huh?
Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me.
What you gonna do?
I am not the one.
You
I am not the one.
You can't hit me.
Excuse me. But I am not the one.
I'ma ride it
I am not the one.
like a rodeo.
Give me some comments, y'all. They know I'm not the one. They know that.
You are. You
know?
are. You are.
But yo,
And you need to go do something. Go to the hair salon.
I'm done with this video because it's really like I'm really upset. I'm really upset because you violated. You don't put that in my mouth like that on camera. You don't do that. You don't do that.
Alright, you want me to restart? Okay.
No,
Truth
that's
or
no
dare?
restarting nothing.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Okay.
No.
No, it's not that.
No. Don't violate. Don't excuse me, y'all. Don't violate me. Don't violate me. Don't violate me.
And
She lucky I'm gay. She's really absolutely lucky I'm gay. You bugging.
I love you, boo.
I know you do. The comment, like, and subscribe. I guess I see y'all another time. Okay? But I'm thinking about it, y'all. Turn it straight. Straight gay. You know? But holla. I want you. And first of all, please, y'all, don't feel offended about this video. It's nothing towards y'all. It's just all about me. I love y'all. It's all about me.
For entertainment.
Yeah, this is all for entertainment, y'all. Everything is for entertainment. Guarantee y'all. I want y'all to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You know when I'm dropping these videos. Peace. It's your girl.
Go hard or go home.